And wind gusts as strong as 40 miles an hour will just make things worse.
And Tim, you've been tracking this winter blast for days now.
Yeah, that's right. The storm is already taking shape well to the south. We're seeing the clouds spread northwards. And as we look outside from our sky view here at Nauticus, we can see that overcast sky working on into much of Hampton Roads. Satellite imagery showing it moving from the south to the north. Not a lot of moisture just yet. And I think during the daylight hours, we should stay dry. You see the storm taking shape here, starting to intensify nicely off the coast of Florida, and will travel off to the northeast in the next few hours. A lot of storm watches and warnings up, pretty much stretching from Maine all the way south into Florida. And that is something you don't see every day. Winter storm warnings in Florida, just west of Jacksonville. We have our own alerts here to tell you about. A winter storm warning's up for everybody, but the storm warnings that were up for Norfolk, Portsmouth, over to Hampton, Poquoson, Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Camden, Currituck, and Northampton in Virginia have been upgraded to a blizzard warning. That has nothing to do with the amount of snow we're going to see. It's the winds blowing the snow, reducing our visibilities for a period of time that would classify it as a blizzard. Temperature-wise, we've warmed up above freezing, the first time since Saturday afternoon. That will do very little to thaw things out. That ground is frozen solid. Here's how it looks on Futurecast. The moisture making its way north. I think it starts as a brief period of wintry mix. Keep that in mind. A frozen ground, liquid precipitation. You have a sheet of ice under the snow as it begins. We'll talk about when this changes over to all snow and how much you can expect in just a few minutes.
All right. Thank you, Tim. So much to track. Well, VDOT has an uphill battle ahead of them. They are trying to get ahead of the storm by pre-treating the road.